To Chemistry Diksuchi. Today we are going to learn about nitrogenase enzyme and nitrogen fixation. That is in bioinorganic chemistry. So what is nitrogen fixation? So nitrogen fixation is in two types, in vivo and in vitro. So in vivo, this is a life natural process that is in plants. This process is in plants, and in vitro, this is a artificial condition when we take N2 plus 3H2 in Haber process, NH3, it will give NH3. This is a in vitro process. In vivo process, atmospheric N2 in presence of nitrogenase enzyme, it converts to NH3. This is a fertilizer for plants. So nitrogenase enzyme present in blue-green algae. These are two parts. First one is a small protein, that is a Fe protein. This is also called as a P cluster. And next one is large one, that is MFE cofactor. In this, M is equal to molybdenum, iron or vanadium. So these are three types: vanadium nitrogenase, iron nitrogenase, molybdenum nitrogenase. This vanadium and iron nitrogenase, these are rarely present. Molybdenum nitrogenase is present in most of the plants. So in these enzymes, two units. First one is a P cluster and second one is a MFE cofactor. This is the structure of P cluster. In this P cluster, we have Fe4S4. Here one Fe4S4. So these two are ferredoxin Fe4S4 molecules, and here it will attach to SS bonds, and here all the iron atoms attached to S cysteines. In this, only one iron is attached to serine oxygen. So this is a Fe4S4, two molecules of Fe4S4, and this is this transfer electrons between Fe protein and MFE protein. This is the useful of P cluster. This is a small protein. This is the structure of molybdenum iron cofactor. So in this structure, we have molybdenum N triple bond N. This is the active site of this MOFE cofactor. So this is the structure. In this structure, all the iron atoms attached to cysteine sulfurs, and here two iron atoms attached to one cysteine sulfur. So here two iron atoms attached to sulfurs, two sulfurs, and also molybdenum. This molybdenum act as an active site of this MOFE cofactor. So what is the reactions in this structure? So ferredoxin or flavodoxin gives electron to the small protein Fe protein, that is a P cluster. Then this electron will changes MgATP to MgADP plus phosphate, and after that one electron gives to MOFE cofactor. So in this two hydrogens, 2H plus gives H2 molecule, and after that this will give electron to N2, and this N2 will take plus 6H plus atoms, and it will convert to 2NH3. This is utilized by plants. So overall reaction, we have complete conversion of N2 is N2 plus 16 Mg ATPs plus 8H plus 8 electrons gives rise. Here is a nitrogenase enzyme, and it will gives 2NH3 plus 16 Mg ATPs converts to ADPs plus 16 inorganic phosphorus plus H2. So this is a inorganic phosphorus. So this is the overall reaction in this one. N2 plus 16 Mg ATP plus 8H plus 8 electrons in presence of nitrogenase enzyme. It will convert to 2NH3. This N2 converts to 2NH3. This ATPs converts to ADPs and inorganic phosphates, 16 inorganic phosphates plus H2. So this is the conversion of N2 to NH3. If you like this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.